Two major explosions reported in Tehran, amid Israeli airstrikes. Two large explosions were reported in Tehran on Monday, following Israeli airstrikes targeting densely populated civilian areas of the Iranian capital. According to Iranian media sources, Israeli fighter jets conducted two separate strikes on Tehran, with significant blasts reported in the city center. The semi-official Tasnim news agency released footage from the scene, stating that the explosions occurred near Valiasr Square. The video showed smoke billowing from the area, debris scattered across the streets, and shattered glass in nearby buildings. Other local media outlets published similar reports. In response to the attacks, government spokesperson Fatemi Mohajerani announced that metro stations, schools and mosques across Tehran would be opened as shelters for civilians. Meanwhile, U.S. President Donald Trump commented on the Israeli strikes on Iran via his Truth Social account. "Iran and Israel will make a deal. They must, just like I convinced India and Pakistan to make peace," Trump wrote. He also cited his efforts to prevent a potential war between Serbia and Kosovo as an example. Trump further claimed that his involvement had helped ease tensions between Egypt and Ethiopia, stating, "Similarly, there will soon be peace between Israel and Iran. Many discussions and meetings are taking place right now. I'm doing a lot and getting credit for nothing. But that's okay. People understand."